Wow. Are you kidding me right now? This is absolutely breathtaking. It couldn't have been more perfect for this space.
Penny Pincher, Glamorous, Penny Pincher, Glamorous, Penny Pincher, Glamorous.
Hey Pennypinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Pennypincher, Shalomie, and today we're going to do some decorating. In the last video, we took all the Christmas decorations down, we cleaned the house, and we're starting off with a nice clean palette, as you can see. But before we get into the decorating, I want to introduce you to the newest member of our home decor family. Let me introduce you to this beautiful, breathtaking piece of wall art from Eleanos Gallery. It is absolutely amazing, a showstopper, if you will, and I just can't stop looking at it. Eleanos Gallery is an online gallery with hand-selected professional artists to meet every art lover's need. Their handcrafted 3D textured wall art will leave you breathless with a plethora of options to choose from on their site. Each painting is 100% handcrafted by one of their artists who will shoot the actual picture to confirm the effect with you before sending it out, just to ensure that you are satisfied with the quality before shipping it off to you. They also offer personalized customization, so each piece can be customized to fit the different styles of your home environment, including the size and color. With their fast and free delivery, your handcrafted piece will be at your doorstep within 3 to 7 days after it's sent out. And guess what, guys? If you're not satisfied, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can return the eligible item within 30 days for a full refund, no questions asked. This is how my painting arrived at my doorstep, securely packaged and damage-free. I solicited hubby's help with the unboxing and eagerly waited to get inside to see the finished product. Included in the package was all the hardware needed to mount my painting, complete with a pair of white gloves. I put my white gloves on to avoid messing up my painting, removed the remainder of the bubble wrap, and when I saw it, all I could say was, wow. I am looking at this painting and all I can say is, oh my goodness. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail. Wow. Super, super gorge. I couldn't be more pleased with this painting. And it's going right above where it is, in that space right there. It was important for me to get a piece that is elegant and matches the aesthetic of my home, and this piece is absolutely beautiful. I called in my handy dandy contractor, and in no time he had it perfectly mounted in my space. And this is how it turned out. Just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, trust me, this is by far one of the most elegant pieces I have in my home, and I do plan on getting more. So guys, I'm going to leave all the information you need in the description box below. You will also be given a code for a discount. Please go down and check it out. If you're looking to elevate your space, make your home elegant, classy, and elevated, then Eleanos Gallery is where you need to go. I paired it with these beautiful lights from Amazon, and I'll also leave the link in the description box for you below as well. So I picked up this beautiful orchid from Home Goods, and that's what's going to sit on the center of the table for now until I decide in the springtime what else I'm going to do with it. And this is what the dining room now looks like, keeping it real simple, real clean, with that beautiful Eleanos Gallery painting as the backdrop. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, as we move into the spring season, I will do something differently with the room. Maybe I'll add a table setting as well as furniture on that back wall there. But for right now, it is light, it is elegant, and it is absolutely beautiful. For the entryway table, I'm just gonna put the pieces back that were on it before. So this beautiful piece here is going back to the center. And then I'm going back in with my tapered candlesticks and these candles. For this end, I'm just gonna add an assortment of white vases like these, just to balance the other side off with the candlesticks for that, you know, height and symmetry. So I'm just gonna put like a little cluster here of these, and then I'm gonna add, just for interest, some of these black pampas grass. Not a lot, just enough to make it just very wispy and whimsy. And the bottom one I will leave empty. I won't put anything in this one. And here goes the entryway table. If you notice, guys, everything appears to be in sets of 3s. Now let's work on the built-ins. And now that the built-ins are complete, we're just going to finish up the room by decorating the coffee table, as well as changing and fluffing the pillows on the sofa. On this side of the room, I'm re-adding my lanterns to get rid of that dead space and just to add a little bit of interest to that area. Okay, penny pinchers, I am all done with putting everything back in place. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of everything. Of course, the dining room here with my beautiful Eleanos Gallery painting in the background. Super gorge, super light, super airy. Now guys, after Christmas decorating and all of the glitter and all of the flocking and the reindeer and all the heavy decorating, it feels absolutely amazing to take the house all the way down to this nice, light, and airy look and feel. Reindeer is gone from on top of the entryway table, and it's back to just the very sleek items that are on here. Super gorge. And then I'm going to take you to the main living area with the built-ins and everything that I've done there. All right, so the built-ins are all done, guys. This is what I've done with it. Very similar to what I had before. I didn't add any greenery here. I'm gonna wait around until the springtime to do some greenery. And you guys see what I'm watching, right? Yes. Does anything on this TV screen look familiar to you? Take a look at that. All right, so on this side, again, like I said, I've just done similar things to what I've had before. I have my lanterns back in place here on the floor. Then if we go to the coffee table, I brought the pampas grass in from the entryway table onto the coffee table just to tie the spaces in. Added these beautiful candlesticks. You've seen these before, but I pull them out every now and again to add them to the coffee table. These are these beautiful coasters. And yes, I'm using this beautiful ornament candle. I didn't use it over Christmas, but I absolutely love it. And yes, it's an ornament, but I'm gonna keep it here for a while. This beautiful vase that you're looking at here came from Home Goods maybe a year or two ago. And yeah, coffee table is just nice, again, and light. And if we move over to the sofa here, guys, I've just replaced the pillows with the checkered one. I've added black here. And do you know the one here in the center, this black pillow? This is the one that I DIY'd as a bow. And as I stated in the DIY video, you can pretty much use any of your bow pillows throughout the year. I've added back my black throw on the edge of the sofa. And yeah, everything is just nice, light, airy, and clean. On this side of the room, I've added the checkered pillows to this side, just to add a little bit more color and contrast to the painting that's on the wall. These will stay here for a while as well. I kept my chessboard with the little table there. Nice little conversation area in that space on that side. So yeah, everything is back to normal. Everything is nice, clean, light, and airy, as I keep saying. After all the heavy decorating, I feel so free and light in these spaces. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and checking out my refresh for the winter months. And please remember, guys, to check the description box below for all of the information regarding this beautiful wall decor from Eleanos Gallery. I'll have all the information there for you, as well as a code so you can get your discount. So be sure to check it out. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell, and also that way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And for all my Penny Pinchers, you know exactly how I feel, guys. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.